Welcome to Group 1's Systems Engineering video presentation. Our team members are Arnold Chewy, Delia and Varden Tandon. Our team is working alongside Atos on the BBC Bring Your Own Device trial. The Bring Your Own Device system allows employees of the BBC to bring personally owned mobile devices to their workplace, where they are then able to use those devices to access the internal BBC applications. The benefits of adopting the Bring Your Own Device system include improving productivity in the workplace and increasing employee morale and convenience. Our team's involvement in this project can be summarized in a few key requirements. The first requirement is to produce a way for the users of the Bring Your Own Device system to provide simple feedback on their experience. This refers to how the user feels about the registration process and any apps presented to the user. The BBC with Atos will then be able to use this information to improve the Bring Your Own Device system. Secondly, we were asked to design a mechanism for the users to self-diagnose any problems they may experience while using the Bring Your Own Device system. The aim of this is to minimize the amount of minor issues that are reported to the technical support staff, so that they are able to focus on more urgent tasks. This will result in more efficient management of the Bring Your Own Device system. Finally, a central dashboard is required in order to provide an interface for the technical staff to monitor the users. Here, the technical staff will be able to see the results of the user feedback as well as any issues that have been reported. They will also have the ability to report any system complications to the users. In order to develop our system, we conducted research. We obtained most of the important information on Atos, the BBC and the Bring Your Own Device trial from the meetings and presentations with the client. The client provided information on the aims and scope of the project, the users, and the main features that are required. We then began researching methods of collecting user feedback on websites, mobile applications, and feedback systems used in stores and airports. It was agreed that the process of providing feedback should be as simple as possible, as people are often reluctant to provide feedback if the process is time-consuming. In another meeting, our client gave us a demonstration of the current Bring Your Own Device system and how it is managed through a mobile device management solution created by AirWatch. The dashboard of the AirWatch mobile device management solution provided us with a basic design template for our dashboard app. The team decided to design the system to consist of two separate apps that will interact with each other. The User Feedback and Assistant app is for the employees of the BBC using the Bring Your Own Device system. It will collect feedback from the users on their experience using the Bring Your Own Device system. The Dashboard app is for the system administrators and technical support staff to monitor the feedback and reports from users of the Bring Your Own Device system. They will want to be able to see what problems users are experiencing and have the means of assisting them. This system will require a two-way interaction between the two apps. Here is a demonstration of the Feedback app. The user is required to enter their login details to complete the feedback. The feedback is presented in the form of flashcards, where the user simply clicks on the smiley or sad face, depending on their opinions on the issue. If the user clicks on the smiley face, they are directed to the next flashcard. If the user is not satisfied with the issue, they can click on the sad face. On clicking the sad face, the user can add any further comments or suggestions if they want to. For example, if there are connection problems in the marketing department. The user can also choose not to comment on clicking the sad face. Once the user has completed the feedback, his feedback is submitted and sent to the dashboard app. This is the main page of the dashboard app. These icons give a quick overview of the system. For example, this icon shows the number of users that gave positive feedback recently. Next is a graphic that displays apps where a large proportion of active users are reporting problems, the most severe from left to right. For example, 7 out of 7 users have reported problems with this app. Alerts are created and can be viewed by selecting this icon in the header. Alerts can be viewed from any page of the app. This is a live feed of the comments that users of the feedback app are submitting. It will allow admins to instantly see which users have reported problems on which apps. The main menu is located on the side and is used to navigate the dashboard app. Related pages are grouped up and can be accessed via submenus. For example, this is the user overview page where you can view, edit or delete user details. Our main focus of the project this term was the user interface designs of the applications. Our project relies heavily on the user interface of the app, and through multiple iterations of design, we tried to come up with the most effective solution. We were also encouraged by our client to develop creative solutions. We formally presented a few of our design options to our client and gathered some useful feedback on our ideas. We were then able to produce the prototypes of our apps implementing our design. We plan to follow an agile software development method. The aim is to continuously present early version deliverables to the client, updating the requirements and system solution depending on feedback. For the final proof of concept design in Term 2, we plan to further develop the prototypes. In particular, we want to implement the interaction between the dashboard and the feedback apps. Thank you for watching our video presentation.